Sidroflix Halal, Family First Streaming. Assalamualaikum. Welcome. I'm Nelia Santa Maria, introducing Sidroflix, the world first global halal certified, family-friendly streaming platform built to entertain with integrity, strengthen family bonds, and celebrate Muslim identity. The vision: it provides safe, inspiring, halal entertainment that protects values, enriches families, and strengthens global Muslim identity. Sidroflix aims to be the trusted home for content that comforts, teaches, and uplifts. The problem: mainstream platforms often surface content that conflicts with Islamic and family values. Families and community leaders face limited, inconsistent options for truly halal entertainment. First, inadequate content safeguards, patchy cultural sensitivity, and few options for children's wholesome programming. With 2 billion plus Muslims globally and rising value-driven audience, there is a major untapped market seeking clean, culturally respectful entertainment. Sidroflix can lead halal entertainment and redefine ethical streaming. Our solution: curated, scholar-approved content. Films, series, documentaries, and kids shows selected through dual-layer halal review for authenticity and values alignment. Family safety tools, kids mode, robust parental controls, and device management to protect what matters most. Accessible and reliable, offline viewing, multi-device access, and an ad-free experience designed for family convenience and focus. Key features: first, halal certification. Content certified by qualified scholars with transparent reporting. Offline and multi-device. Watch anytime on the go across phones, tablets, and smart TVs. Kids mode. Age-appropriate curation and safe browsing tailored to children. Original productions. High quality, culturally resonant originals that reflect Muslim experience worldwide. Sharia compliance and governance. Sidroflix is built on transparent, scholar-led governance. Comprehensive Sharia oversight across content, operations, and finance. Dual-layer content review. Scholar plus tech screening. Ethical revenue practices and halal certification reporting. For market and business model: subscriptions, licensing, community packages, creator partnerships. Technology and competitive advantage. First, blockchain-backed rewards. This is secure, transparent, user incentives that support creators and community projects. Second, privacy-first streaming. Minimal data collection, family-safe recommendations. Localized storytelling. Regional catalogs and subtitles for global reach. These elements combine to create a unique, trust-first platform positioned ahead of mainstream competitor. Roadmap and call to action. First, launch MVP. Core catalog, kids mode, parental controls, and Sharia governments, initial regions. Scale content. Invest in originals, local language licensing, and creator partnerships. Integrate blockchain rewards. Introduce user rewards, transparent funding for creators and community initiatives. Global expansion. Institutional packages, educational partnerships, and merchandising or events roadmap. Join us. Partner, invest, or collaborate to bring Sidroflix to families worldwide. Together, we can build a streaming home that protects values, uplifts hearts, and inspires the next generation.